What's going on, folks? I got a Budk unboxing today, so I got the Gill Hibben throwing knives right here, arrived just now, and let's see what we have here. Alright, give me a few minutes here. Alright, put this over here. Alright, so every time, one thing about me, I'm a good customer of Budk. I get these every month. Alright, now here's the main part right here. So, alright, so here's what I got on Budk just recently. I got this for good price. Yeah, my first ever Gill Hibben knife. Okay, let's. What are we waiting for? Let's see what this looks like. All right, give me another few minutes. Don't want to rush too much. Okay, yeah. Here's the box itself. All right, almost there. Just put this back here so it doesn't get blown. Yeah, I'll just put this in the box real quick. All right, there you go. All right, so anyway, here, let me show you what I got today on Budk. Yeah, let's show you all. All right, so I got the Gill Hibben throwing knives right here. Yeah, I got this for a great budget for about, it was 21 plus shipping, so that's over $30. That's it's definitely worth it. Yes, my first ever Gill Hibben knife. Yeah, my first time getting this, and yeah, everything is in good shape. Yeah, I'll clean this up. So anyway, yeah, it's yeah, this is what you get for about 30 bucks. And here's the sheath. All right, let me just buckle this up. Yeah, just give me a little time again. Yeah, there we go. Don't want to rush too much. Oh, wait a minute, it's backwards. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I don't want to be in a hurry. Alright, there we go. Let me just unbuckle this. And there you go. So anyway, yeah, I got this for about, 30 bucks altogether. Yeah, my first time getting the Gill Hibben knives. Alright, so I'll just show you these. Alright, let me take this out one more time. Yeah, put it right there. I'll just show you this up close here. Yeah, I'll come up here. Alright, anyway, here's what I got. Yeah, so the question is it razor sharp? It's very sharp, that's good. And yeah, here's the other one. There you go. Yeah, nicely made. And here's the other one. Yeah, you get 3 of each. Yeah, it fits. Yeah, I have to say this suits me a lot better. Yeah, I'll clean that up. Yeah, it comes in kind of, oily, but no problem. Alright, so anyway, and here's the sheath itself. Alright, let's put these guys back in again. Alright, yes, I highly, recommend it for about over 30 bucks altogether. And yeah, I'm satisfied with my purchase once more. Yes, I say, get yours today. For 30 bucks, can't go wrong. You can get these at any time, anywhere on Budk. Oh yeah, it's been a while. The last time I bought from them was about almost a year ago. So yeah, this is the next thing I got from Budk today. Yeah, arrived fair and square. Alright, let's just show you one of these one more time. So anyway, I am satisfied with my purchase. Yeah, I'll just show you one of these. Yes, no problem at all. Yes, I'm also a good customer of Budk. I'll always buy from them when the time comes. Never had a problem with them over the years. But anyway, here's what I got, the Gill Hibben knife. Alright, so I'll keep this video short. I'm satisfied with my purchase once more. Alright, so this is it. This is what you get for 30 bucks. Alright, there you go. I think I've covered everything. Yeah, once again, I'm satisfied with my purchase. So I say, yes, get yours today. It's worth buying. Alright, so I gave you a good unboxing review on the Gill Hibben throwing knives that I got on Budk, my first ever Gill Hibben knife. And alright, so I hope you liked the video review, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.